你好, I'm Jingyu. Welcome to my channel. I will continue to update Chinese language learning courses and share Chinese culture. If you are interested, please follow me. Today, we will learn the vocabularies about colors. Let's start. First, black. 黑色. Please repeat. 黑色. 黑色. Okay, next. White. 白色. 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 Next, yellow. 黄色. Please repeat. 黄色. 黄色. Blue. 蓝色. 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 Okay. Red. 红色. Red is regarded as a happy color, often used to celebrate weddings or festivals in China. Please repeat. 红色. 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 Green. 绿色. 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 Next, purple. 紫色. 紫色. Please repeat. 紫色. 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 Okay, gray. 灰色. Please repeat. 灰色. 灰色. Alright, let's review. Black. 黑色. White. 白色. Yellow. 黄色. Blue. 蓝色. Red. 红色. Green. 绿色. Purple. 紫色. Gray. 灰色. Okay, if I want to know what's your favorite color, I would say 你最喜欢什么颜色？你 means you. 最 means most. 喜欢 means like. So, 最喜欢 means favorite. 什么 means what. 颜色 means color. So, together it means what's your favorite color? Please repeat. 你最喜欢什么颜色？你最喜欢什么颜色？ If I like red most, I would say 我最喜欢红色。我最喜欢红色。我最喜欢红色。Okay, please tell me what's your favorite color? 我最喜欢。我最喜欢。Very good. My clothes are white is 我的衣服是白色的。我的 means my. 衣服 means clothes. 是 means are. 白色 means white. The is a particle, so together is 我的衣服是白色的。Again, 我的衣服是白色的。我的衣服是白色的。Okay, please tell me what color are your clothes? 我的衣服是Very good. Let's look at the last sentence. The sky is blue. 天空是蓝色的。天空 means sky. 是 means is. 蓝色 means blue. Please repeat. 天空是蓝色的。Again, 天空是蓝色的。天空是蓝色的。Okay, let's review. Black, 黑色。White, 白色。Yellow, 黄色。Blue, 蓝色。Red, 红色。Green, 绿色。Purple, 紫色。Gray, 灰色。We also learned how to ask someone's favorite color. Is 你最喜欢什么颜色？你最喜欢什么颜色？ You can answer 我最喜欢。我最喜欢。我最喜欢。Very good. And my clothes are white is 我的衣服是白色的。我的衣服是白色的。The sky is blue. 天空是蓝色的。天空是蓝色的。Okay, that's today's video. Feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Practice documents are available below the video. You can download if you need. If you are interested in my channel and want to learn some Chinese, please follow my channel. 再见。